Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link your EA Games account to your Amazon account. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. First thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to the official EA Games website, ea.com. Now from there you go to the top right corner where your profile appears. You simply sign in, click the option again and go to the account settings. Now inside the account settings is where the magic happens. You scroll all the way down till you find the connections tab, and inside the connections tab you already see the Amazon logo pop up, and you simply press the link option right next to it, and this will take you to the official Amazon website where you can simply sign in, log into your existing account, and from there the both accounts will be connected automatically. Now it's easy as that. Now if you still get any questions related to this tutorial, leave it in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.